Welcome to the Concur WalkMe demo. The business objectives for this project are reduction in training delivery and materials maintenance, decrease errors on system, improve process efficiency, and enhance overall satisfaction. In Concur, having the correct information within a user's profile is essential, as the profile is referenced upon process submission, such as creating a new expense claim. Many users are missing necessary information within their profile or have not provided enough information. For example, when inputting contact information, such as a mobile phone number, it is very important to prefix the country code. Upon signing into Concur, all users are greeted with a welcome pop-up message, also called a shout-out, which introduces the presence of WalkMe. Users are then invited to click on the Update Concur Profile button, which triggers the onboarding task that plays the relevant guidance. Currently, the shoutout is set to play once per day. Once the task is completed, the shoutout will no longer appear. The smart walkthrough starts with an informative pop-up that shows the user some of the details they'll need to have at hand before beginning the guided tour. Clicking Next triggers a series of automated steps that navigate the user to the My Profile personal information page, which is where the user can begin making updates to their profile. On this page, we begin by asking the user to check that their name matches the travel document that they use. In the instance that it does not, users have been provided with a hyperlink that navigates them to the relevant page where they can create a ticket. Selecting Next triggers another auto step where the user can see, via a ripple on the page, that contact information is being clicked. Here the user is guided through a series of fields where they can update their contact details. A smart tip, which is a field level prompt, has been included here as an additional point of reference which further enforces the importance of providing the correct country code within each of the contact information fields. The user is then given 4 options or to click Next to end the guidance. Here, Add a Visa is clicked, which triggers an auto step, followed by a pop-up instructing users to fill out all the highlighted fields. The guidance continues until the user clicks Next. The onboarding task is now completed and will be indicated as such in the menu. The Concur system does not have built-in error handling when submitting forms. When a user is filling out information to submit a trip request, a lot of the fields can be missed. Moreover, depending on the drop-down option selected, users can be required to perform different tasks. We begin the Submit a Trip request process by clicking a launcher on the home page, which triggers the Smart Walkthrough to play. As before, the Smart Walkthrough starts by navigating the user to the relevant page through a series of auto steps. We can now begin filling in the required information for our trip request. As you can see, the Create Request button has been blocked out. To make this possible, a launcher containing custom CSS has been strategically placed on top of the button, acting as a blocker. This button will become available to click once the mandatory fields contain some data. Finally, Submit Request is clicked, which prompts the success notification, bringing the process to an end. The following slide demonstrates the value outcomes for the project.